Hi class, how you guys doing? Welcome to week one. Okay, so week one, I just want to kind of go through this really quick, give you a little, some tips and tricks and some things to look out for. Best practices for the expeditious, successful completion of week one. So you want to check out week one checklist. I'm not going to open that. It's pretty self-explanatory. And then student introductions, of course, again, are pretty self-explanatory. Week one chapter overview and week one chapter lecture must view, absolutely. Just want to point out that the week one lecture is directly from the week one chapter overview. So in subsequent weeks, if there are two overviews, then you can expect two lectures, right? So definitely want to take a look at chapter one lecture before you start work in chapter one. And then also you definitely want to take a look at the course required course reading before you start any work for week one at all. Pretty important stuff, guys. Okay, so I do want to take a look at the week one discussion forum, week one written exercise, and let's go ahead and do that. In that order, let's go ahead and take a look at the week one discussion forum. So in this discussion question, you're going to address this. Basically, you're going to take a look at this ad right here, okay? And you're going to decipher the following. Again, really important that you read the book and go through all of the course materials before you try to address this question. At any rate, we're taking a look at Nike. As we know, Nike has been on the forefront of contemporary advertising for many, many years. So it's logical that we are taking a look at Nike to look at good practices and to really be able to analyze the basic skeletal structure of any ad. And this is no case. We're going to look at this ad right here. Okay, we're going to decipher who is the target audience, what is the message. I want you to talk about the copy. What does it mean? What does it mean to you? And is it effective? And of course, this also will go back to the target audience. Okay. What is the feature benefit portrayed in the ad? The feature or the benefit, or basically kind of the call to action. What do you think the designer of this ad wants you to do after you've looked at it? Okay. And then explain your thoughts on the design principles used in this ad. Okay. Okay, that's that week one discussion forum. Let's go ahead and take a look at week one written exercise, which is kind of an extension of the discussion in that in the written exercise, you're going to go ahead and pick your own ad. You're going to select an ad and you're going to write up this same kind of synopsis associated with the ad you pick. So you're going to read chapter one first, definitely. So you're going to provide a photo reference for your selection. So you're going to choose an ad and supply the photo for it. The assignment should be at least 2 pages. At least a page long, not more than 2. Adequately answer all the questions. Your assignment must be prepared in a word processing program. Microsoft Word is great. If you want to submit a PDF, I'm perfectly fine with that. APA format. 2 sources, guys. 2 sources. You got to include sources in your writing. All written exercises are expected to adhere to proper net etiquette, of course, right? So, and then this assignment will cover the following. Okay, so you're going to explain who the target audience is and why you believe that your definition of the target audience is accurate. Then we're going to take a look at the feature benefit or call to action in the copywriting aspect of the piece. So you're going to take a look at the features, benefits, and decipher. This is the written. Copyright means the written portion of the ad. Then what design principles were followed? And then is the advertisement effective? Why or why not? That's critical. Why or why not? Back that up with course resources as well. Okay, that's that. And then the last thing we want to look at is the week one quiz. Now, again, read the book before you take the quiz and go through all of the class resources before you attempt to take the quiz. Okay, guys, that's it for welcome to week one. Of course, I'm going to end this and every video stating that if you have any questions, comments, concerns, clarifications, or any of the above, please let me know, and I'll be glad to provide anything in that regard. Okay, fantastic, guys. Thank you very much.